Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. What is machine learning? Have you ever wondered how your phone knows what word you are about to type next? Or how Netflix seems to know your favorite movie before you even search for it? The answer is machine learning. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are breaking down what machine learning actually is in super simple terms. To understand machine learning, let's look at traditional programming. In standard coding, a human writes strict, step-by-step rules for the computer to follow. If X happens, do Y. But machine learning flips this around. Instead of giving the computer rigid rules, we feed it lots of data and let it discover patterns on its own. A great real-world example is your favorite streaming service. Services like Netflix use machine learning to analyze your past viewing habits. It looks at what you watch, when you watch it, and what people with similar tastes like. Then, it recommends new shows tailored specifically to you. The more you watch, the smarter it gets. Machine learning generally falls into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each approach helps computers learn in a slightly different way. First is supervised learning. Think of this like studying with flashcards that have the answers on the back. The computer learns using labeled data, where we give it both the input and the correct answer. For example, showing it thousands of photos labeled dog or cat until it learns to identify them accurately. Next is unsupervised learning, where the computer gets unlabeled data and has to find hidden patterns on its own, like grouping similar online shoppers. Finally, reinforcement learning works through trial and error using rewards, much like training a dog with treats whenever it makes the right move. Machine learning already powers many everyday technologies you use, such as email spam filters, voice assistants, and automated bank fraud detection. But here is the catch: a machine learning model is only as good as its data. High-quality, accurate data leads to reliable results, while poor data leads to wrong predictions. In short, machine learning allows software to improve over time without being explicitly programmed for every single outcome. It is transforming how tech works every day. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.